Come test drive the 2024 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 500 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.